Hey guys, welcome to the new video of ThemeHunk. In this video, we will see how to add the Advanced Tabs add-on to a WordPress website. First of all, install and activate the Elemento Addons plugin on your website. Now click on Edit with Elementor. You can add the add-on anywhere on any page if the page is built with Elementor. In the left panel, look for the Advanced Tabs in the Elemento Addons section. Here it is, drag the add-on and drop on the place where you want to add it. You can also search for the add-on from the search bar. There is only one section here. This number denotes the default tab. You can keep the vertical layouts also. These are tabs. You can duplicate any tab using this icon. Upon clicking a tab, its settings open. This is the tab title. It can be renamed according to the tab. For the tab, you can choose between an icon or an image. If you don't need anything, select none. Here the content is selected. You can write the content and add media. If you have already made templates, select the Elementor templates. Now choose templates from here. The full template should be imported here. Repeat the same process for other tabs. After completing, you can test the tabs. This is Styles. Here you can adjust the border, padding, and margin. Separate sections are given to customize each component. You can color a single tab in 3 forms: active, inactive, and hover. In the advanced section, the full add-on can be customized. After all, save the changes and preview the site. Here is our add-on. The add-on is perfectly working. The colors are also doing their work. You can also visit the Advanced Tabs page where you get some more applications of the add-on. This is all about the Advanced Tabs add-on. Download from the link in the description. Thanks for watching.